Let's see four stocks for tomorrow's session. The first stock is Hindalco Industries. If you look at the 5-minute chart of the stock to summarize today's session, the stock went on making higher highs in today's session, especially at the fag end, which means that there are smart money who are bullish in the stock. If I access one day chart of the stock, you can see that today's session was unprecedented in terms of bullish movement, and the volumes were more than average. And considering all this factor, in tomorrow's session, I am still bullish on this stock, and it can go up to 159 to 160. Second stock we have is TVS Motor. TVS Motor is currently riding on a strong upwave implied by extremely strong volumes, which means that there is still momentum left in the stock. If you see the 5-minute chart, you can see the kind of momentum it caught in today's session. So in tomorrow's session, I'm still bullish on this stock. If you turn to left hand side of your screen, you can see that there is still a lot of movement over here. See this particular candle over here. It's extremely strong candle with the volumes or the volumes are as high as we could see in any stocks. So the upside momentum is expected to continue in tomorrow's session. So watch out for TVS Motor in tomorrow's session. Third stock is SRF. Just like our two previous stocks, SRF also made extremely sizable bullish candle and the volumes were off the chart. Talking about tomorrow's session, I do expect the momentum to continue, and the reason being is this particular candle. The closing price of today's session falls into 1/4 of this candle, and if you see the volumes of these candles are almost equivalent to candle and the volumes which we observe in today's session, which means that there is still 100 points for SRF to get to in tomorrow's session. Fourth and final stock for tomorrow's session is Amar Raja Batteries. Amar Raja Batteries made a strong and sizable bullish candle, but I am disappointed by the volume. Volumes tells an entire story. Although the size of the candle looks to be heading to a upside momentum in tomorrow's session, but I have my doubt. If you move the screen to left hand side, you can see that this is the point where Amar Raja battery started falling right over here. So in tomorrow's session, we could see a session like where Amar Raja battery might go up, and then existing buyers right over here who could cover their position, and we could see a large fall up to something like maybe around 676. So be wary of that. Do not just go on to buying seeing the lot of upside movement in Amar Raja batteries. If you want to know all the important levels in this 4 stocks for tomorrow's session, you can join my Telegram channel. I will leave the link in the description box. Thank you for watching.